Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Today I'm here to show you a few yoga asana practices that you can do at home even during the lockdown. So the core is a very essential part of our body. It forms the base or the trunk of our body. Now if our core is stronger, it helps minimize the chance of getting hurt and helps build your body strength. Now I'll show you how to do Ustrasana or camel pose. Now this pose is very beneficial to give flexibility to your back. It strengthens your back muscles. Also is very good for your posture. Now make sure that your knees apart, hip width apart and they're not close. Then roll your shoulders back, chest up and look forward. Exhale, drop your right shoulder down, hold your right ankle. Then inhale, left hand up. Stay here if you want to into half camel pose. If you want to go deeper into the pose, inhale and exhale, other hand down. Pushing your hip forward, chest up. And then exhale, drop your head down. Constantly pushing your hips forward and chest up, look back. And slowly to come out of this pose, place your left hand on your stomach. Inhale, come up and exhale, release. Now I'll be showing you how to do Sirsasana or headstand. Now this is a little advanced posture. It is not that difficult if you have your alignment correct and if you keep practicing. But it is very important to make sure that your alignment is correct, because sometimes people do the wrong alignments and they tend to have a lot of strain and soreness on their neck and their head. Come on your knees, then bend your knees and place your elbows down. Okay? So once your elbows are down, take your elbow distance, interlock your hands and place the top part, flat part of your head down, interlocking the back of your head. You're going to take your hips up and then you're just going to walk in and walk in till your hips come overhead. Then squeeze your right leg inside. Now what most people do is they tend to do this. Alright, your knees are away from your chest. So try to bring your knees closer towards your chest and then your other leg up as well. And squeeze it closer in, engaging your core. Once your core is engaged, nice and strong, take your leg all the way up, maintaining a balance. Now, taking your leg all the way up is usually more just about the balance of your hands and your elbows. To come to Ardha Sirsasana, that means half headstand, going all the way up. Now you can also try it with a wall support if you're a beginner. Make sure that your alignment is correct. Hands, elbow distance, interlocked and place it down. Then place the flat part of your head down, interlocking the back. Then walk in and walk in again. Make sure that you're closer towards the wall. Then squeeze your one leg in and take your other leg up, supporting the wall and stay here. If you want to, slowly try to take your hip off and then your leg off. One leg at a time to maintain your balance and see how it feels. Then squeeze your one leg in and then take your other leg down as well. And then come down from that posture. Stay down here in child pose and relax for a while. Then come all the way up. So it's not very hard if you keep practicing and if your alignment is correct. You can also do this as your lockdown goal to do.